had it all until I took a big fall. Somebody was cool until they took this gamble, and now whoever they took this gamble with, or whatever entity they decided to rock with, won't let them go. Wow. Read again. I'm willing to prove my loyalty even with my life. They sold. They sold. They sold. They sold. Man. I'm not doing this on purpose, y'all. Look. I had it all until I took a big fall. I want to leave, but they won't let me go. I'm willing to prove my loyalty even with my life. This person. This person sold their soul, man. This person sold their soul.